Hey car lovers and collectors, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a ride that blends modern tech, classic Volkswagen DNA, and just the right amount of Euro flair, the 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan. Whether you're a fan of precise German engineering, looking for a refined daily driver, or eyeing your next collectible SUV, you're going to want to stick around. This Tiguan, it's not just an upgrade, it's a whole new chapter. Let's get into it. First off, look at that design. The 2025 Tiguan has been completely reimagined. Sleeker, more aerodynamic, and dare I say, sporty? The front grille is sharper, LED matrix headlights give it a premium touch, and those dynamic indicators? Chef's kiss. The proportions are just right, still compact enough for city maneuvering, but with enough presence to turn heads on the freeway. Volkswagen is clearly aiming for a more athletic crossover SUV, and it shows. The wheel options: 18 to 20 inches, depending on the trim, and yes, the R-Line trim still brings that extra spice. Step inside, and it's like entering a high-tech lounge on wheels. The 2025 Tiguan gets a 15-inch floating infotainment screen in higher trims, and the digital cockpit is now sharper and more customizable than ever. Volkswagen's new voice assistant? Surprisingly responsive. The materials feel more upscale, soft touch where it matters, and those ambient lights? You can now choose from 30 colors, setting the perfect mood for any night drive. And for the collectors out there, yes, the build quality feels like something you'll want to preserve. Now let's talk about what really matters, how it drives. The 2025 Tiguan comes with a range of powertrains depending on your market, including a 1.5-liter mild hybrid and a 2.0-liter turbo with up to 265 horsepower in the R-Line. 0 to 60 in under 7 seconds? Not bad for an SUV in this class. It's not a hot hatch, but it definitely carries some GTI spirit in the way it handles corners. Tight, planted, and responsive. VW's DCC adaptive suspension makes a big difference in balancing comfort and performance. Whether you're carving up mountain roads or just commuting, this Tiguan feels confident. Volkswagen went all in with tech this year. You've got wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless charging, and a new augmented reality head-up display that actually makes navigation safer and cooler to use. Lane assist, adaptive cruise, 360-degree cameras, it's all here. And for the collectors who care about innovation, this model marks a turning point for VW's interface design. It's modern, fluid, and built for the long haul. Practicality check. The Tiguan is still one of the most versatile compact SUVs. With over 1,600 liters of cargo space when you fold the rear seats, it's ready for weekend adventures or IKEA runs. The second-row legroom is great, and some versions even offer a third-row option. Not bad for a crossover. So, who is the 2025 Tiguan for? If you're a car lover who values refined performance, understated style, and future-forward tech, this SUV checks a lot of boxes. For collectors, this could be the generation that ages well. It marks the start of a design and tech shift for VW. It's smart, fun, practical, and if you're like me, you'll start seeing it not just as a family ride, but as a modern classic in the making. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up, drop your favorite Tiguan generation in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews, collector tips, and auto adventures. Until next time, keep driving, keep collecting, and stay curious.